it has changed my perspective in a lot of ways. I think in a family business, something like succession planning, it's like a taboo because you generally see the founder and he doesn't think 10 years or 12 years down the line, how the company will look in terms of the governance, in terms of how the KMP will be structured, and that I think is an issue. After coming to MFAB and getting key takeaways on succession planning, I think it's very important for customers abroad or even for customers in the domestic market. It's very important for them to be able to get an idea of what their relationship will look like if I'm the supplier for them, say 5 years or 10 years down the line. Unless they have this clarity, they generally don't want to do business. So I think succession planning in that term is also very important, and also to avoid conflict among the family members. And after having a 3.5-year experience, now whatever I've learned, immediately when I hear that in the MFAB classroom, I connect it with my business, and it starts giving me new ideas. In one of the courses of operations management, the professor was teaching us how to apply bottlenecking concepts, how to find bottlenecks in the entire operation process. And in a chemical manufacturing company, the best way you can save money or increase your bottom line, reduce your costs, it's by bringing about efficiency in the entire operation. So that was a very eye-opening class for me. Other than that, I also got a lot of clarity on corporate governance, structuring the entire board of directors. These things were something new to me, and it was pretty great, like learning about these things.